Hello legends, I'm Chris Thrall, I'm a former Royal Marines Commando. This is Louie Greenhatch, he's a former Irish Guardsman, and together we are Ocean's Elite, and we have rowed the Atlantic Ocean in our 21-foot rowing boat to shine a light for all those veterans out there who may be struggling. We're in the marina in the south of Rankin area, and as you can see, our beautiful boat Isabel has arrived. She's over there, look. That's our Isabel, and we're going to start rowing the Atlantic today to shine a light for struggling veterans and raise some money for some very worthwhile charities.
In time to see them row off into the sunrise.
Louie's played a blinder, literally like the best first mate you could ever ask for. The wind has been pushing us back all day. We've seen 4 seagulls.
Oh, look at this in the bubbles. Hello.
Yeah. We're just experiencing our first visitor. Lou, what are we doing?
We're repairing the seats, the runners on the seats.
Just some quick thoughts on the electrical situation today. It was bound to happen. We just capsized. All good fun. I'm Sven, and this is Olaf, and we are the Swedish Vikings. Gosh, 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 gosh. Going for a swim, Lou?
We shall go for a dip. Hopefully there's nothing sniffing around. Adios.
Adios, amigo. Way up high.
Hi Chris and Louie, it's Gary Abbott here in the centre of London in Covent Garden.
There's no point putting any shorts or any clothes on because everything just gets immediately soaked by these monsters. Look.
So I just thought I'd let you have a look at what it's like to wake up before your shift.
Isabel, Lois, I read you loud and clear.
Roger, can you see us on AIS? Welcome to Barbados! Next to our survival bag delivered by these wonderful gentlemen.
Yeah.
What do you think of your dad and Louie rowing the Atlantic?
Well, it's crazy that they've done it.
Bit of fun, isn't it? That's it, folks. So if you're struggling, there's always light at the end of the tunnel. Leave the past behind. Be grateful for what you've got. Live your dream and no one else's. Remember, you're born a legend, you'll die a legend. I know you're a legend in between, so just make sure you know. And here comes the beer.